Dear Alexi, this is the greenhouse we're building for our family. We're building you this greenhouse. I say it's for you because I want you to grow up with this dome. I want you to feel the seasons change outside and inside the greenhouse. You will observe the care and love it takes for you to grow your own food. At first it might seem like abstract shapes to you. You'll see our hands covered in dirt and water droplets flying everywhere. But as you grow older, this dome will become a reference point for you, a lens through which you can view the world. We will give our attention and time to our greenhouse, and in exchange, we will be connected to our environment through the food that nourishes us.